How to create Douyin account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to download and install the Douyin app on your device. Then you want to tap it open. Now you want to tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now if you already have an account, you want to enter your credentials here and log into your account. However, if you are new to this and you want to create a new account, then go ahead and tap on the sign up option at the bottom. Now you will have to enter your mobile number over here. Before that, you want to select your country code, so go ahead and select it from here. After that, enter your number over here. Once you have entered the number, you want to tap on the next option at the bottom. You will now receive an SMS verification code. Enter it to continue. You can also register using WeChat, QQ, or Apple ID if you have a Chinese account. Once you have created your account, you can enter your username and set a profile picture. You will also need to enter your date of birth. After setting up your profile, you can now browse videos, follow creators, and post content. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.